Now is the moment for the truth. So I'm the one who made this stencil design. Okay, so nothing fancy. I'm just trying to get used to the machine and how it feels and everything like that. I'm gonna start the machine right now. This is the 6 voltage speed. Okay, I think that's enough ink. The technique is you this is my first line ever. Oh boy. I can tell from the get go, from the get go, like this is not good looking at all. Let's go for a second one. Some more inks. Well, well, it looks like I don't know. I cannot really judge right now. So what I'm gonna do is turn off the machine, use a little bit of the Vaseline and clean up those lines and see how bad they were. I mean, I can do better. I mean, they're not perfect at all. I mean, there's a bunch of mistakes on those what I just did right now. Let's try. Let's try again. Voltage. The voltage is still 6. The 6 voltage. I'm gonna go slower this time. I feel like this time I have a better control over it because I took my time. I go slower instead of going fast. Compared to the previous two, I feel like this one's a little bit darker, but the lines are still, shaky. They're not straight. They're like zigzagging and stuff like that. So I will need to work on that. I'm still trying to figure out, way to hold the machine so I get a better control over those. I don't know, maybe I should hold it like that. Let's see if I hold it like that, how it feels. Instead of putting the clip cloth on the code that way, I'm gonna put it on this side. Still gonna be using 6 voltage. Let's see how this one went. I feel like I went a bit too fast, But I can see some progress though. Right away, I can see some progress from the way I'm holding the machine right now. It feels different. I have more control over it. But I still feel like I'm going a little bit too fast. Compared to those three lines, I feel like this one's a little bit cleaner than the head and the bottom. So we're gonna keep on trying. We're getting there. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna increase the speed just a little. I'm gonna put it at 6.5 and see how it feels like right now. I really like the 6.5 one. Let's see if we can keep on doing it. Let's see if we can do another line. But at the same time, I forgot to work on my stretching. This is really important from what I heard. The stretch, I need to get used to it. So it become like, type of second nature. I'm gonna be focusing on that right now. The stretch. Kind of like this one. I feel like I'm still going too fast. I feel like I'm still going too fast. So maybe I need to increase my. I put at 7 right now. Let's see. So this is 7. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, sevens, like, I don't know, sevens give me something different. Just like it's quietly matching, my hand speed. uh, because my hand speed was, I feel like those previous ones, I feel like my hand speed was too fast compared to the voltage. It's like I was speeding up too much with my hand while the voltage was too low. I just feel like this one is a little bit better. Let's see if I didn't go too deep. Actually, no, I didn't go too deep on the skin. I didn't cut it. And there's this little vibration that I'll be feeling. It's just like when you at the right spot, you can feel the vibration. Once you feel the vibration, it's just like a green light for you to start going with the process. If you don't feel the vibration, it's just like you too upper on the skin. You need to go a little bit deeper, slightly deeper, just like micro deeper. You know what I'm saying? Nothing big. So let's do another one using the 7. I don't go too deep on the skin, but I'm seeing, looking at this one and this one, they're similar. They're really similar. So what I need to do is I need to work on my straight lines right now. Those lines ain't straight at all. I'm cautious of that, so I need to work on my straight lines.